We are here to talk about how to achieve true prosperity. Many people desire it, but few truly manage to turn that dream into reality. Having a prosperity mindset is a rare trait that requires discipline, vision, and concrete actions. Prosperity can be compared to a tripod with three fundamental legs: health, wealth, and family relationships. Imagine you have a vast fortune, but are gravely ill. You would certainly give all your money to regain your health, because without it, wealth loses its value entirely. Similarly, if you have health and money, but no family or friends to share your achievements with, life becomes incomplete and empty. True prosperity is the harmony between health, wealth, and meaningful relationships. Let's do a simple exercise to reinforce this concept. Write on a piece of paper: prosperity is having money, health, and family. When I see this phrase, I will give it a little heart to encourage your participation. Now let's explore the issue of money. Financial success is achieved when you can buy what you want and do what you like without worrying about a lack of resources. If you haven't reached this point yet, it means financial independence has not yet been achieved. To attain this freedom, it is crucial to understand and apply the principles of financial management. There are 4 levels of financial well-being that determine your relationship with money. The first level is survival, where you spend more than you earn and constantly go into debt, living in a cycle of scarcity. The second level is breaking even, where all the money that comes in is spent immediately, with no savings or investments. At the third level, you earn more than you spend, but do not know how to invest properly, thus losing to inflation and other financial erosions. Finally, at the fourth level, you earn, spend less than you receive, and invest the rest wisely, reaching financial independence, a status achieved by only 5% of the world's population. To develop a prosperity mindset, it is necessary to learn to make money work for you, not the other way around. True prosperity allows you to live well both with and without money, as it involves a series of attitudes and practices that go beyond mere wealth accumulation. Our goal here is to choose the path of prosperity and learn to generate wealth sustainably and ethically. To create wealth consistently, it is essential to understand the concept of the wheel of abundance. The speed at which this wheel turns determines your prosperity. Often this wheel does not turn as fast as it could due to emotional blocks, such as the belief that money is dirty or that the rich will not enter the kingdom of heaven. Another reason could be ignorance of the fundamental laws of wealth: earning, spending, saving, and investing. These laws, which should be taught from childhood, are the foundation for creating a prosperous and balanced financial life. We are discussing this subject because we want to change our lives, right? Dealing well with numbers is crucial for this transformation. Many people fear numbers and finances, but if you want to be a millionaire, you need to develop skills in this field. Financial mathematics is a powerful tool for creating and managing wealth effectively. First, it is essential to remove the emotional blocks that prevent us from prospering. Imagine that at 6 years old, you heard your father say, "It is better to be poor and honest than rich and dishonest." This belief can take root, and years later, lead you to sabotage yourself to avoid being considered dishonest. The beliefs we absorb in childhood can perpetuate and block our ability to prosper. The wheel of abundance can be blocked by these emotional barriers. If you believe that the rich will not enter the kingdom of heaven, you may end up sabotaging yourself unconsciously. The truth is that material goods do not determine your spiritual destiny. Money is a tool that, when used correctly, can even facilitate your spiritual growth. The key lies in how you use this tool. The wheel of abundance has 2 essential parts: giving and receiving. Some people have difficulty giving, others receiving, and some face challenges in both areas. To increase your prosperity, it is crucial to know how to do both. Giving is like pruning a plant to make it grow stronger and healthier. You can give through charity, helping those truly in need, or through generosity, offering to those who do not need it. Practicing both forms of giving is fundamental for a sustainable cycle of prosperity. There are 4 verbs crucial to the wheel of prosperity: declare, ask, risk, and thank. Declaring is important because by expressing what you want, you create a mental reality that precedes the physical reality. Asking involves requesting what you want clearly and objectively. Risking is a necessary step for any form of growth and prosperity. And thanking is a powerful practice that, besides attracting more good things, keeps us aware of the blessings we already have. Working with these verbs can help accelerate the wheel of abundance. Here, we are discussing scientific, philosophical, and psychological aspects of prosperity. Science studies the causes and effects of natural phenomena. Philosophy delves into thoughts and concepts, and psychology explores the impact of these thoughts on human behavior. We are addressing science, philosophy, and psychology to better understand the concept of prosperity. A crucial point is our mind, which can be divided into 2 main parts: the thinker and the prover. The thinker creates thoughts, and the prover confirms these thoughts through lived experiences. For example, if you believe making money is hard, that will be your reality. If you believe it is easy, that will also be your reality. The phrase, "whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right either way," illustrates this idea well. The proverb validates what the thinker conceives, manifesting it in the real world, including in your bank account. This is the great secret of prosperity, the quality of being there. To illustrate, imagine it's Friday night and you discover you won $1 million in the lottery. Although you can't claim the prize until Monday, you will spend the weekend euphoric, just with the winning ticket in your pocket. If you have the same confidence regarding any other goal you want to achieve, it will become a reality. The secret to prosperity is feeling as if you have already achieved what you desire. The mind has 2 parts: the thinker, who conceives ideas, and the prover, who validates them. It is important to understand that the mind is present throughout the body, not just the brain. There is intelligence distributed throughout the body, connected to a higher intelligence, which can be used to manifest desires in the physical world. The process of prosperity follows 3 fundamental principles: self-analysis, suggestions, and goals. First, do a self-analysis and ask yourself, what have I been thinking that made my life the way it is today? Your thoughts about money directly reflect your current financial situation. Secondly, consider the suggestions you have received throughout life. Many of them are negative and need to be reprogrammed with positive affirmations, such as, "I am prosperous and abundant." Repeating these declarations daily can transform your behavior and consequently your financial reality. Finally, set clear and specific goals and start acting as if you have already achieved these goals. Visualize and feel the emotion of already having what you want. This helps manifest your goals more effectively. Working with the verbs declare, ask, risk, and thank, doing a deep self-analysis, reprogramming your mind with positive suggestions, and setting clear goals are essential steps for prosperity. Feel as if you already have what you want, and it will manifest in your life, providing a journey toward true abundance. Often, we receive negative suggestions from our parents, who, even with good intentions, pass on limiting beliefs. For example, to be a doctor, you need to study medicine. To be a lawyer, you need to study law. But to be a father or mother, there is no formal course. This shows that many of our behaviors and thoughts are absorbed indirectly and can be negative. Until the age of 4 or 5, we receive numerous reprimands that shape our view of money. Transforming these negative suggestions into positive ones is crucial, and this starts with renewing declarations and affirmations. Understanding the difference between goals and objectives is crucial for success. Goals are specific, like traveling from New York to Chicago, while life purposes are broader, like traveling west. Discovering your life purpose can bring renewed energy and a sense of direction. Ask yourself for 21 consecutive days, what is my life purpose? Align your goals with this purpose to observe significant transformations in your journey. Now, let's talk about the laws of wealth, which are universal and work anywhere in the world. The first is the law of earning. Financial problems are not solved with money, but with ideas. Those with the best ideas prosper. The second is the law of spending, which implies living within your means and avoiding unnecessary debts. The third is the law of saving, which involves setting aside part of what you earn for emergencies and future investments. The last is the law of investing, which requires deep knowledge and the wisdom to know where and when to apply your resources. The law of earning is related to creating value. The more value you create, the more you earn. The law of spending implies living on 80% of what you earn and saving the other 20%. The law of saving is fundamental for building an emergency fund and ensuring financial stability. The law of investing requires knowledge and strategy to grow your money. Make sure to apply these laws in your life, and you will be on the path to prosperity. A critical aspect of financial management is spending less than you earn. Without following this rule, financial independence becomes unattainable. Saving and investing wisely are also essential. Never spend money you don't have, as this creates a cycle of debt and limitations. Invest wisely, knowing the risks and rewards of each opportunity. Prosperity is a state of mind and spirit. By mastering financial management and applying the laws of wealth, you will be creating a life of abundance and meaning. With the practice of these laws and a growth mindset, you will be on the right path to achieving true prosperity. Honesty is a fundamental virtue that should be at the center of our lives. Many people believe it is better to live in poverty with integrity than to become wealthy through dishonest means. Integrity is not just a moral issue, it is a pillar that sustains trust and credibility, essential for a balanced and prosperous life. Honesty should guide all our financial decisions, ensuring our actions align with our deepest values. It is crucial to change our way of thinking about life and death, recognizing that each moment is a unique opportunity to live with purpose and meaning. The idea of imminent death reminds us of the fragility of life, where each breath marks the rhythm of our existence. Birth is marked by the first inspiration and death by the last expiration, symbolizing the complete cycle of life. This perception should motivate us to live as if each day were eternal, making the most of every moment. Many people who reach 65 years old still have much to offer society, but unfortunately, they often find themselves prepared for the end instead of seeking new adventures and challenges. Those who surpass 90 or 100 years are usually those who refuse to stop learning and growing, remaining engaged and enthusiastic about life. Continuing to develop and set new goals is crucial for healthy and productive longevity. Facing life with the mentality that there is still much to be lived and learned is vital to keeping the spirit young and active. Those who live with this spirit are often those who make the greatest contributions to humanity, regardless of their age. Additionally, it is essential not to use concepts like karma as an excuse for a lack of success or prosperity. I'm not here to discuss the validity of karma, but it is important to recognize that some people use this idea as a justification for not striving in their current lives. If past lives were more important, we would still be living in them. The most significant thing is free will, which gives us the freedom to choose our paths and create our own destiny. Not even God deprives us of free will, for He is the one who granted us this gift. Each individual has the power and responsibility to shape their own future through the choices they make every day. If our lives were completely predetermined, it would be an affront to human potential. We are co-creators of our own reality, and it is essential to understand the difference between causality, something happening for a specific cause, and chance, something happening by accident. Some people believe that hard work is necessary to accumulate wealth, but the truth is that working smart and strategically is what really makes the difference. For example, a man who became a millionaire at 65 commented that he was so busy working that he didn't have time to really make money before that. Often, we are so immersed in our daily routines that we cannot see the situation from a broader perspective. Taking time to reflect and re-evaluate our strategies can be the key to significant progress. Another common myth is the idea that we cannot make money and have fun at the same time. Many people struggle during the week in jobs they don't love just to support their families, then seek fun on weekends. However, turning what you love into your profession can completely change this dynamic. When you find joy and passion in what you do, you will never have to work in the traditional sense, as you will be doing something you love every day. Finding and following your true passion is essential for achieving lasting happiness and success. It is a common mistake to blame the profession for the lack of wealth. I know doctors and lawyers who are financially successful and others who face difficulties. Financial success is not determined by career choice, but by each individual's approach and dedication. Many of the world's wealthiest individuals did not have extensive formal education. Thomas Edison had only 3 months of schooling, Henry Ford studied up to the 2nd grade, and Bill Gates dropped out of college to found Microsoft. This does not mean that education is unimportant, but that knowledge is just one part of the equation. Passion, innovation, and action are equally crucial for success. Another harmful myth is the idea that there is not enough money for everyone. In reality, the financial market is constantly expanding. In the cave age, the total wealth of the world was insignificant compared to today's global gross domestic product, which was created through human innovation and creativity. Brazil, for example, is seen by many foreigners as a land of opportunities, although many Brazilians do not perceive the vast potential around them. Understanding that opportunities are limitless is crucial for success. It is important to understand that a person's limitations are not imposed by geography, but by the beliefs and information they absorb. Understanding the concepts of money and generosity is fundamental. We must make money work for us, not the other way around. Practicing saving, investing wisely, and maintaining investment liquidity are essential components of a solid financial strategy. Simply working hard is not enough to ensure wealth. It is necessary to enjoy what you do and turn a hobby into a profession. Competence in action is more important than mere scholarship. The universe is abundant, and learning to generate wealth is a crucial step to tapping into this abundance. Finally, reflect on this. Many people on their deathbeds regret not having had the time to do everything they wanted in life. Don't let this happen to you. Rethink your life and remember that you were born to grow and prosper. Do not let anything or anyone prevent you from reaching your maximum potential. Put into practice what you have learned, for just listening is not enough. You need to act. If you have made it this far, comment, "I stayed until the end." That way, I will know you watched everything, and I will give a heart to your comment. I hope new paths open for you, and that life brings you many blessings. May the wind blow gently at your back. May the sun shine warmly on your face, and may the rain fall softly on your fields. Until we meet again, may God protect and guide you. Now, take the opportunity to watch other videos on our channel. I am sure they will add great value to your life. A big hug and see you next time.